Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the new L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. If you guys saw my Ulta haul the other day, then you know I picked this up when I ran in there to get the Kat Von D Good Apple Foundation, but they did not have my shade. So I was like, since I'm here, let me go and see if there's any makeup that I want. So I picked this up. I got it in the shade The Blackest Black, 850. Lately, I have just been using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. You guys know this is one of my favorites. And the Mega Plush Volume Express from Maybelline. I used to use this one a long time ago and I needed a mascara, so I just ran in. I can't even remember where I picked this up from, but I just ran in and grabbed this one. I used to use the Falsies a lot too, and I really like that one, but this one is decent. So I was ready to step up my game, so I picked this one up, and let's just go ahead and do the first impressions. We are headed out. We're gonna run a few errands. Today is Saturday. It's actually the Saturday before Easter. I'm gonna try to get this video up for my Monday video. We're just gonna go run a few errands, and I was like, this is a perfect time to do a first impressions and a wear test, because I always try to do wear tests and then like I end up only getting like 2 minutes of footage, and it's just not worth it. So we're actually gonna be out today, and I can show you guys how the mascara is operating. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so we can go ahead and apply the mascara. And I've already curled my lashes, and I just have on like a little bit of makeup. You guys know we're gonna be wearing a mask, so I didn't wanna do too much. So yeah, let's go ahead and try out this mascara because I'm rambling and we gotta get out of here. This is how the wand looks. The wand is huge off the bat. Like the wand is really, really big. So let's go ahead and just apply it. I've already curled my lashes as well, so let's go ahead and see. Oh, and I like it actually. It's actually pretty good. Let's go ahead and do the bottom, and then we'll work on a second coat, and then we'll be done. I'm not doing 3-4 coats. Like, I don't need all that. So okay, you guys, so this is 2 coats. I did not go back into the container. I just used what was already on the brush from the first time I pulled it out, and I did top and bottom. And I will go ahead and say that on the bottom, if you have smaller eyes, this can get a little bit messy if you're not careful. I like how it looks on my bottom lashes, but it's not amazing. I much rather prefer this. And the top, it looks pretty good. So I'm pretty sure if you were to add a second coat going back into the bottle, it might even be better. Or if you have super big lashes, I have pretty small, not necessarily thin, but just kind of like small-ish lashes. So I really like how it looks. That is it for right now. We're gonna go ahead and head out, and I'm gonna be doing check-ins while we're out, and then I'm gonna come and give you guys a final overview at the end of the day when we're done with our errands. And I've had this mascara on all day, so I will see you guys. Hey guys, so we just left the mall and everything. The mall was a little chaotic, a lot chaotic on the outside. Not too bad on the inside, but it was really weird. So I didn't get to do a lot of filming because we were trying to just get in and out or whatever. I wanted to come and do a check-in with you guys on the mascara. It still looks good. There is a little bit of like smudging here, which you guys know, like that's a problem, because like, why do I like I have black eyes? You know what I'm saying? So that's an issue in itself, but I'm gonna wait till I get home and look in the mirror a little bit more up close and see how it looks then. Hey you guys, so it's the end of the day. As you can see, I'm giving very much grandma with my sweater and my bonnet and everything, but I wanted to like be serious. I've literally had this mascara on all day long, and as you guys saw, I think I put it on around 11ish this morning, and it is now 8:24 at night. So about 9-ish hours of wear out of the mascara. I have ate, I have slept, I took a nap, and we were out this morning. So I definitely gave it a good go. And now I'm ready to tell you guys my initial thoughts. Just as a reminder, it is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. Really simple packaging. Really nice. I like how sleek it is. So if you're one of those people that like to carry your favorite mascara around with you, then I think that this would be great for travel, or also great for your makeup bag, or just throw in your purse if you're one of those people that like to touch up on the go. So I love that. It's a very light mascara pack, if that makes sense. Like, it's not heavy at all. It's very light, and like I said, it's very sleek, so I think it's perfect. Tons of product comes out, lots of product comes on the tip, so you want to be careful. You want to make sure to get off that excess product, and if you need to, you know, you can like always just dab it on the top to get the extra off of the sides. I like how this is kind of large, so it gives you a lot to work with. You're able to get a really good grip on it and really get those lashes in, instead of it being like a flimsy, thin handle. So I do love that. And that is about it for the packaging. A+ for the packaging. I really, really enjoy it. Now let's get on to the eyes. So as you can see, I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer, but as you can see, I do have some running under here. I did have concealer on under my eyes, so that could also be it mixing, giving me raccoon eyes. And that is to be expected because I've had it on for so long. However, I do know lots of people wear their makeup all day. They wear it, you know, from the morning when they go to work at 7 or 8 o'clock, and then they don't get home until 7 or 8 o'clock in the afternoon. And you don't wanna look like this when you're coming home with your mascara on. You want your mascara to stay on all day, and you want it to look nice. So I am going to continue to wear this mascara in different situations, and I'm going to come back and give you guys a full review of how I feel about it. But just as first impressions, I do think if you have smaller eyes, you probably just want to stick with using this on your top lashes. I'm gonna kind of use it on my top, use it on my bottom a little bit more, kind of see how it goes. But just first impressions, I would stick with this to the top lashes and get something with a smaller brush, or maybe a little bit more drier formula. In my opinion, it's a little bit liquidy. They are a little clumpy, honestly, just a little bit of clump, not too much. Not so much clump that I don't think I would ever use it again. Like I said, I have small eyes and small lashes, so I do like how it makes my lashes pop out. I think that my lashes look really good. However, like, some of the lashes on this side are just a little bit clumped up more than these. I don't know what that's about. I don't want to necessarily blame it on the mascara. It could be my eyelashes. I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep using it to see, but this one definitely spread out a lot more than this one. I don't feel like I have spider lashes. Let me know down below if you feel like I do. I don't think that I do. And I think that I would like to wear this just with my makeup and no false lashes. Of course, I think it'll be great if you're putting on false lashes. You can throw this on before you do your lashes, but I would actually wear this mascara with my makeup and no lashes, which says a lot for me because I'm very picky about that. Definitely on the top. On the bottom, definitely something else. So first impressions, I honestly give this mascara a B-, and once I use it, I'll come back with my final review and grade. But for now, I'm gonna give it a B-. I do think if you have bigger eyes or longer lashes, I would definitely pick this up. If you have small eyes and smaller lashes, I would just be a little bit wary. I would definitely say give it a try if you like trying new mascaras. Be prepared for some messes, you know, if you have small eyes or whatever with this one, because the wand is so big and the formula is a little bit liquidy. So yes, that is my first impressions of the new L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. Let me know if you guys have tried it down below. Let me know if you like it, if you would recommend it to somebody. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Leave a comment down below, ring the bell notification button so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I do accept both over here. I really appreciate you guys coming back for another video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.